Yeah. They can stay in there, what's already in there. Use your knee. There you go.
Hello?
Hi, Muppet.
I'm going to go round the back to get the basketballs.
Okay.
Can you unlock it?
I'm just in the middle of something. 2 seconds.
I'll do it.
Right, that's fine. So open the drawer, top left. Pour in either one. Pour in approximately a capful.
Oh no.
Don't worry, don't worry.
And then?
Yeah, yeah.
Does it matter which one I put in?
I don't really think so, no.
Okay.
Rue, can you unlock the back door quick for Mont? He's waiting.
And then...
Right, so it's on the right setting. So you just press go. No, you need to wait for it to... Oh, it already did it on its own.
Done? Wash my hands.
Yeah, wash your hands because they'll be all... And then if you wait, you will see and hear... Ready? There you go, you did it. Many thanks for your assistance.